Hi guys, good morning. If you don't mind, I would like to introduce you this letter. The reason why I want to introduce you this letter is because it has several good points. First of all, let's have a look together. First of all, this letter is an excellent one because of the material. It's made of aluminum. It's very light. It's 1.2 kilos lighter than a standard letter. It's easy to open and it's easy to close it. So, can you see? So this is a very light letter, really very light. And the design is awesome. There is just one bolt here. There are no other bolts. So it means that it's very smooth. What else? This letter, and this is, in my opinion, this is definitely the most important feature. This letter is extremely safe. Let's have a look. Can you see? There is no way our hands get injured. So this is a very important point. Another thing that I would like to stress out is that the load capacity is 540 kilos, which is double than standard letters on the market. And it meets the US ANSI Standard A1 standards, which is really good. What else? It's also very easy to grab it. Can you see here? It's possible to grab here, so there is no way we can fall down, okay? So, just to sum up everything, I would like to say, first of all, and this is, I repeat, the most important thing, it's very safe letter. Secondly, it's very resistant because of the load capacity. What's more, it has a very nice design. So what are you waiting for? You should buy one. Come on.